Hello there. For the Artist Trading Cards project in 2019 for grade 8, I decided to make an app to display my artist trading cards. To display this, I'll now be showing a demo of the app and explaining some of the core features as well as some of the design choices for my art. Now let me show you the app. When you first load it up, you get that P. Now the reason I created this P was, well, first let me explain how I created it. This P was originally artwork I made by hand using splatter and a stencil. I then transferred it digitally via a scanner and then edited it digitally in Pixelmator Pro, which is my preferred image editing software, and I morphed it. That's why you get that morphed effect. The reason I morphed it was because I felt that more represents the abstractness of Jackson Pollock's artwork. Now that we've loaded up onto the home screen, you can see two buttons. The Splat icon, which I designed, and the reason I named my app Splat was to show how Jackson Pollock would use splatter to create his thing. You have two options. You can either click random or you can click the Splat icon. When I click the Splat icon, it loads up all my artist trading cards. I have 5. The artist's bio, key facts about the artist, their artwork, the tools they used, and their artistic style. People are also able to swipe through these, which you can see by my on-screen gestures. Now, let me explain why I did my trading cards. The reason I used a blue and green gradient was to show that the mixing of colors, which would often occur if we go into Jackson Pollock's artwork when he did art. He had to mix a lot of colors. This is mainly shown in the bottom left one, which I'm circling with my finger right now, where you can see how he's mixed colors very nicely. A key feature of my app is that you can download the trading cards for use. To do so, just click the download cards. The info button will lead to this video to help people find out more about our app. Now let me go back to Splat. We can see the P and it's just loading back up. Okay, now the random button. The random button is a more fun feature of my app, which allows you to find a random trading card out of my set. So when I click random, I've just got the key facts trading cards. I can go back and I can click random again. The reason I decided to create an app and a website was because I have a lot of passion for coding and thought it would be quite fun, and I could also learn a lot about image displaying in the code as well. And one key learning point I learned when creating the app was the random functionality, which I didn't know how to do before. This app also has a website variant if you don't have an Android phone, so you can visit that, and I'll link it in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye!